Dear student, today I am going to take circle. In the lower class, you will know figure of circle. Circle is a round figure which outer line is called circumference. Outer line is called circumference, and in center it is a center and length center, and any point on circumference always constant. सेंटर से परिधि पर कोई भी बिंदु लिया जाए उसकी डिस्टेंस कांस्टेंट होती है, जिसको हम रेडियस कहते हैं और जनरली आर से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. तो सर्किल की ये डिफिनेशन हो गई. और सर्किल में if we joint any 2 point of circumference, any 2 point of circumference, this is called chord. Longest chord of the circle is diameter. Longest chord of circle is diameter, which passes through the center. Which passes through the center. This point is center. And we know distance from center to any point on circumference is always constant. It means diameter is just double of radius. These are simple thing. I think you know. If diameter is d, then radius is 2r. This is the concept of circle. Now we are going to take locus of the different situation of circle, just like we have taken in straight line. Equation of circle whose center is at origin. I think you know the coordinate of origin is always 0, 0, where x-axis and y-axis are intersect. Equation of circle whose center is at origin and radius is given, given a unit. Radius is given a unit. This is first type of circle. Suppose this is the coordinate axis x o x dash, y or y dash. Here given center is at origin and radius is given a unit. So circle is become like that. Suppose we know from center to any point of circumference distance is constant, that is called radius. If you take P point, this is x comma y. Suppose the coordinate of P is x comma y. O is the origin and you join the OP, and according to concept of circle, this is OP is the radius and this radius is given here a unit. This radius is given a unit. Applying distance formula, OP is equal to x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. We know the distance formula under x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So here this become x square y square. But we know radius of circle is a unit. On squaring them, we will find x square y square is equal to a square. This is the equation of circle first type whose center is at origin and radius is given a unit. After that we are going to take another form of circle, equation of circle whose center is given at point h comma k and radius is given a unit. Our figure is like that. Suppose x o x dash o dash y or y dash. Here center is given at point h comma k. Suppose this point is h comma k. Suppose point C is the center of the circle. We take any point P on the circumference of circle, join it, and suppose this point Q coordinate is s comma y. Applying distance formula, CP is equal to under root x minus h square plus y minus k square. Applying distance formula and radius is given a unit. On squaring, we'll get x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to a square. This is the second type of circle whose center is given point h comma k and radius is given a unit. Radius is given a unit. Suppose a point x comma y and we draw from distance formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a. On squaring both sides, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. It is a second type of circle. From this formula, we generalize the circle like that. Here x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to a square. It is a circle whose center is a point h comma k and radius is given a square. On simplifying, we'll get x square plus h square plus 2hx plus y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to a square. Arranging them, we will find x square y square minus 2hx minus 2hy plus h square plus k square, और a square इस साइड लाए तो a square is equal to 0. Here we put h is equal to minus g and k is equal to minus f. So our center is now become minus g comma f in the place of hk. Putting these value in the equation, we find x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus h square plus k square minus a square 0. Here in the place of h square k square minus a square, we put c. Our equation is become y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of circle whose center is minus g comma minus f, and we know c is equal to this one, and putting these values will get in the place of c we put g square plus f square minus a square. So our radius is become a square is equal to g square f square minus c. Then the formula of radius become a is equal to under root g square f square minus c. Now we have get a result. General equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here center is minus g comma minus f, and radius can be calculated. A is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Now we are taking third type of circle, equation of circle whose end points of equation of circle whose end point of coordinate end points of coordinate end point of coordinate of diameter is are given x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now see the figure is like that. A circle whose diameter is passes through the center. End points of coordinate is given x1 y1 and x2 y2 on the coordinate axis. We know in semicircle this angle is 180, and any angle we take the circumference of point, that must be half of 180 degree, means 90 degree. In high school we have you have read this theorem. In this theorem, any arc angle made on center, it is just half the any point of circumference of the point. किसी भी वृत्त में केंद्र पर बना कोण परिध में बने कोण का आधा होता है. तो सेमी सर्किल का ये 180 है, स्ट्रेट लाइन है, स्ट्रेट एंगल होता है आपका 180 डिग्री, तो ये 90 हो जाएगा. इट्स मीन्स लाइन, सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज P and this point is Q, this point is R. So we know here line PQ, straight line PQ and RP are perpendicular to each other. And dear student, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, their slope is related like that. M1, M2 is equal to -1. Suppose slope of PQ, first line slope of PQ, second is PR, into slope of RP must equal to -1. And we know slope of formula, if 2 point x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given, slope m is equal to x1, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Applying here formula, slope of PQ, slope of QQ and slope of RQ. Here first point is suppose coordinate of P is x comma y. So y2 minus y1, y2 minus y2 and x1 y1. So slope is according to this formula y2 minus y1, x2 minus 1. Slope of PQ is x2 minus slope of PQ is y2 minus इधर पॉइंट इज एक्स वाई, वाई तो है नहीं, तो स्लोप इज पी क्यू इज y minus y1 upon x minus x1. This is slope of PQ. And slope of RQ, here point is x comma y and x2 comma y2. Slope is y minus y2 x minus x2. And this equal to -1. And taking cross multiplication, it will become y minus y1, y minus y2, or multiply by minus, this become x minus x1, x minus x2. And this is minus sign, इधर दूसरी तरफ लाइए तो ये हो जाएगा y minus y1, y minus y2 plus x minus x1, माइनस आएगा तो इधर प्लस हो जाएगा, x minus x2 इक्वल टू 0. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल विच एंड पॉइंट आर गिवन into coordinate of x1 y2 and x1 y1 and x2 y2 in point of diameter as given, then equation is become x minus x1 y minus x minus x1 x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and x2 y minus y2 is equal to 0. Final formula is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y1 minus y1 y minus y2. In these formula we can get the equation of circle any type. Many questions are given in the you can consult any book and calculate it. Okay, thank you.